Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. I'm very excited about the combination of our hardware video endpoints and our Webex app. So therefore, I quickly want to show you how I'm using it every day. So I basically have a single screen video device, which I like to use at its best in combination with the Webex application itself. So I have the possibility to see that a meeting is already happening. So it is here that 9 participants have joined the meeting already. I press the join button as well. I get like a meeting window in between. You can see that my home lab video endpoint is connected. When I say start with device, then my device is joining the meeting, and I can already then see all the participants in the meeting immediately. So because it is my meeting, I am already became host, and off we go. So I already can see the grid layout in my view on my screen. I can change this layout here from the grid to stack or to prominent, which I actually like most because the last speaker is a little bit larger than the other ones. And when somebody now shares content in the call, I can share it from another system. Then you'll see that the layout changes to whatever other default has been set by the administrator of the system. But let's say I don't like that. I don't have to touch the navigator, which is standing here on my desk as well. I can just go ahead and change the layout from the Webex app because it is communicating with the device. And I say I would like to see it in prominent mode. So this is cool because then I can see like the presentation the same size as the speaker. So very nice. And when I would like to fully move the content away from the screen and focus on the people, I can do this as well. I can just like click this away here, and I'm back basically in the people only view on my video endpoint, and I have the content on my screen here separately. So I can also go and do screenshots and whatever, but I have the possibility to use my screen layout to its best to make the most out of it. That was it already. Of course, I have additional options here to see who the participants are in the call, and I can also chat with the people. So I have like the full feature set I have available in the Webex app, but in conjunction with the amazing audio video quality of the Cisco endpoint directly. So thank you very much. I hope it helped, and looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye.